Sanding your DIY projects can be time-consuming and frustrating, but with Ryobi's Handyline DIY belt sander, it's so much quicker and easier. It's perfect for surface finishing on wood and metal, especially when you're sanding larger surfaces or removing some rust. And with the extra slim front roller, you can get even closer into those corners. The 720 watt motor drives the belt at 250 meters per minute, which is perfect for any DIY. The 76 by 457 millimeter belts are easily interchangeable using the lever on the side. Just turn the machine over, pull the lever releasing the tension on the belt. The belt is then centered on the rubber rollers using the adjustment knob on the side. It also comes with a dust bag with a zipper at the back, making it easy to clean. The light weight of 2.8 kgs, comfortable molded handles, and the trigger with a thumb lock make this machine a pleasure to use. Overall, a very nice sander that will make any DIY that much easier. This is just one of the belt sanders available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.